Okay, go ahead.
So, hey guys, we're back again. So, the rotors, what they do is, pretty much, what they do is they do something to the brakes.
The brakes do something to the rotors.
Yeah.
But here, well, let's show them how to prep it, okay? So, here's an old one.
This is how it looks, this is how it looked before, and this is how it looked after.
I don't know, that's now. So why don't
I
you
mean
flip
now.
that guy over to make it so they're looking at the same thing. And we don't want to stand on the seal. You're standing on the seal, Joey. Yeah, we don't want to stand on the seal.
And that's before and that's now.
Okay.
And this is
All right.
before.
So why don't you show them how to grease a bearing? Because
Okay.
remember, the big bearing goes inside the hole right
There's
there,
the
right?
bearing.
Huh?
Where's the bearing?
The
Oh, it's right
bearings
there.
are right
It's
there.
right here.
No. That's the baby Joey bearing.
Oh, it needs the big one.
Yes. Because look, think about it. You're gonna put that one into that hole, right?
Yeah.
Would the little one fit in the hole?
Little one? No.
Yeah, it would fall right through, right?
Yeah.
So that's no bueno.
Yeah. So what you do is, if you want, you can hold it right in the hole, or one finger or two.
Yep.
So then afterwards, you grab not like a full scrap load, like you have to push it down too, for the grease,
Take your time.
and do 3 laps probably or 2.
Just relax. Try not to get too much grease on you.
Okay. A little bit more.
Okay. Alright, that's probably good.
Yeah.
Let me just see. Let me see. Wait. Let me just look. Flip it over for me. All right. Put a little bit more in there.
Okay.
A little bit more. Keep just working it in. Okay.
Boom. Take it.
Let me see. May look. Turn it over. Turn it over. Let me see the bottom side. Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right. Why don't you throw it in?
Okay.
Show them where it goes.
Okay. What you do is, and then flip. Can you flip it over?
No. It goes right in that hole right there. Remember? There's one on each side.
So crap. There. Then, but if you get any on the outside, we can clean it.
Wait, hold
afterwards.
on. Let's take off the gloves.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay.
And
Now
if
clean
this-
yourself off. Get a towel.
And if
and
there's
then-
any on the outside,
Yes.
then it's okay. You can just clean it off with a paper towel.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
You know what?
Now what goes on top of that?
On top of that is a little baby Joey one.
Nope. The little seal.
Seal, yeah. That's the thing. So then, what you do is it this side or that side?
What?
Is it this side or that side?
The side you're holding right now. That's the way. You want me to help you with this part?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll film it.
All right. Here. All right. Normally you want to use a mallet. But
Yeah.
we busted our mallet, so we're going to use a hammer.
Yeah. Should over there. And you have to order this, right, Joel? Or buy it.
You have to buy it.
Oh, yeah, you have to buy the stuff, guys, too.
Yeah. Okay. Should be ready. You want me to put it on, or you?
You can put it on.
It's
Because you're
a
my
little
Sibo.
heavy.
You're my Sibo.
Okay.
So then you put it over here.
We can actually throw some grease right in here. Here, why don't you grab me a glove?
Okay. Glove. Here you go. You want two?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
This grease here. So now we gotta grease the small bearing.
Okay.
You want me to grease it?
Sure. I would. Sure. Yeah. Sure.
Cause I got the gloves on already.
Yeah.
All right. Why don't you show people what I'm doing?
So what you're doing is you're gonna grease that little baby Joey one.
Yep.
On to that little thing right here. Right there. And then
Hold on. Just show them my hands. Show them what I'm doing.
and then you're gonna have to push it in,
Show them how I push the grease in.
and then you're gonna have to get your hands dirty, like I said before. You're gonna have to. It's okay. And you're gonna have to get it all over on there.
Okay.
And then what you do is once you think you're ready, you put it right back in there.
Like that. Right. Okay.
I'll do it.
You want to help me with the gloves?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay. Thank you. Good. I got this one. Okay.
We're using a lot of gloves.
Yeah, it happens.
It's okay.
All right. So, what's next?
Hold this. What you're
Okay.
done.
Here. Great.
Then what you do is you get
No. Why don't you clean off your castle nut as well as your washer that I was cleaning off there?
Okay.
I already got a towel. The washer's already in the towel. There you go.
Get as much off as you can, because you don't want to go through this again so many times this year.
Yeah. All right, you're good.
Okay.
So now where does that go?
This goes right here.
On the flat parts, right? Yeah,
Yes.
there you go. Very good.
And that's what we took off before.
Yep. And now what do we put on?
Then what we put on is this one next.
Yes. What's that called?
This is called
Castle nut.
castle nut.
Did you clean that off? Yeah, you gotta clean it off. Get all the old grease off. No, you don't gotta hit it. Here, let me see. Watch. Hold this. You don't have to hit it. Just film my hand so people can see. What it is you want to clean those threads inside.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now put it on.
Okay.
There you go.
Then you put it on. Screw it. And it's okay if it gets dirty. It's gonna have to happen.
Yes. Now, how tight do you want to make that?
Very tight.
Well, hand tight.
Can't it, yeah.
And then you can use the wrench. How much? Like maybe like a little quarter return?
Quarter.
Yeah.
What kind of wrench? The big one or the little?
Well, the big one. Big one. There's a... No. That's a breaker bar. Where's the big wrench? Big wrench is right over there next to the clamp. Right there on the ground. Yep. Yep.
2 seconds.
Now remember, this was the part that I told you about, remember?
Yes. You're gonna have to do this. You have to count for 2 seconds.
Hold on.
Time.
What should you do first before you tighten that up? No, you're making it bigger. You gotta turn that the opposite way. There you go, you see? No, you're making it too small now.
Okay. There we go. That good?
No. Hold on. You're going too fast, Joey. You gotta relax. There. That's the right size right there.
Yes.
Right? But what do you do before you do that?
You have to turn it. Actually, no.
Yeah.
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 You have to turn it.
Yeah. No. You have to turn the rotor.
Turn the rotor.
Remember, you have to seat the bearing.
You have to test it out. Forward and backwards.
Yes. There you go. And then you can give that nut a little quarter turn, right?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
All right. There, that's good.
No. You're not on the nut. You gotta look at it.
How's that?
See, right about there. Stop.
Okay. Boom.
See? Now seat the bearing again. No. Just seat it by turning the rotor.
Okay.
Yep, now the opposite way. I think you should be good, right?
So now
What goes on?
you get the little soda. It looks like a little soda cap.
Yes, so
Then
clean that off.
clean that
there you
off.
go. I got a towel right here.
What you do is you clean all of that. Clean it.
Yeah. Well, I'm running out of batteries. I mean, I'm running out of room on here, so I'm gonna have to shut the camera off, okay?
Okay.
But I think people get it. I think they can see what you do.
Yeah. So then afterwards, what you do is you put that back on. Then once you're done with that, you put the tire back on, which is that big thing over there.
Yes.
And then you get the little things that we took off first, that we screwed off.
Yes.
And then you're done.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.
All right.
I'll see you in the next video.